Hello, in front of me I've got RAZER Raiju V3 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to PC. To connect controller to PC, firstly take a look at the bottom of it. Right here we've got this switch. Firstly select switch to PC mode, and now select if you want to connect it wirelessly or via cable. If you want to connect it via cable, simply select cable, and next connect cable to USB-C port on the controller and USB-A port on the PC. If you want to connect it wirelessly, switch to wireless, and now connect this adapter dongle to a free USB-A port on your PC. Now turn on the controller by pressing and holding PlayStation button for 3 seconds. And it's done. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.